Hello guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial you are going to learn about how to install Vue.js 3 by using CDN. Actually Vue.js is a lightweight front-end JavaScript framework that is widely used for building single page applications. To work with the Vue, you can install it in many ways using CDN. CDN, that means content delivery network, is one of them. Okay, so you need to use a script tag to load Vue from CDN. So at first you have to make one folder, that is Vue.js with CDN, and inside of the Vue.js with CDN, then you'll create a one folder like index.html. That I'll make it one folder, index.html. Okay, then it will I will open it in with cmd, like that, cmd, then click enter. Okay, then you will put here just like that code.vue, then it will open in the Visual Code Studio. So in this tutorial I'm gonna showing to you how to use Vue.js without Node.js and npm. Okay, so at first make it index.html file and make a folder on like that app.js, and then how to use Vue.js with CDN, then add to Vue.js and CDN link, write code in your folder. Okay, then you can find a CDN script tag for Vue from Vue.js official site. Like that, you have to go to your browser, Vue.js CDN, Vue.js CDN. Okay, that's it, and click the enter. Just quick start, or I will open two new tab. Okay, I got it like that, CDN. Then I just copy this file. Okay, Control plus C, and uh, you have to come back in your index.html folder, like that Visual Code Editor. Then just simply type here html.5. Okay, then you will type here like just CDN with Vue.js. Okay, that's it. And so it is always recommended to use from the Vue.js official site. I recommended to you you will use to the always from Vue.js official site, and there are two versions available. For one is for development, and another is one is for production. Okay, so just right here, this is tag, this is HTML tag, and if you are new to Vue and want to learn things in Vue, then this version is recommended. All you need to do, copy this tag like that, CDN, just type here is script script. Okay, then okay guys, just I will open in my folder, and just I click this here, open with Google Chrome. Okay, here you will show it message, and it don't show our hello world with Vue.js. Here is one mistake. Okay, I will fix it. Here I will use the script tag, then I will cut it and paste it here, script tag inside of the script tag. Okay, and Here I will here I use the render method. Okay, the simple render method, and you can see that in our HTML file we have link up with the CDN. Okay, then by using script tag, inside of the script tag, under the script tag we would view code with another script tag. Okay, so you can write it by creating a separate file. It's up to you, it's dependent on up to you, and then linking to the HTML file. Finally, to render here I use the render method. Okay, then specified in the data object in the view instant, like that. um, just message. So we use to the output, and I will check it again. Here I just use this script.cdn file folder, cdn file. Just I link up this full file. Okay, and I will refresh in my browser, and what happened, we show it. Okay, that's it, our result. And it's very simply, that's our project. So now today I will finish this video, and if you want to like to my tutorial, then obviously you will subscribe my channel. And so thank you guys, thanks for watching.